Kit Monday, friends. This is the first Mini Kit Monday kit for January 2020, which sounds crazy, but I'm excited about it and I really want to share it with you. So, the wonderful Miss Tracy came up with this for our inspiration. It's a bingo board, and she didn't tell me anything more than that this is a bingo board to be inspired by. So what I tried to do, and I've failed on one, is I've tried to pull something from every square. Now my failure so far is buttons. Let's see if I can come across any. Feels like I should have some somewhere, but I don't like them. I know I have some in Christmas, but not in the colors I'm using. So I'm going to go ahead and put the inspiration right here. And now I'm just going to blab away and tell you what I have going on. So let me put this right here. You'll be able to see it a little bit, but I'll put the big one right here. So what I have here is a kit, and it's a mini page kit, and this is Photo Plate Pretty Peonies. Is it called Pretty? No, Bellefleur. I do not speak French, people. This probably will not go well. So let me show you what's in the kit, and this is why I initially pulled it. It was perfect. I have a floral paper, a polka dot paper, and a diagonal stripe, as well as cardstock. So on my little list-a-loo here, I have floral. I had to come up with polka dot paper, and I had to, there's a diagonal stripe paper as well. And then right here it says solid colored cardstock. So I have this, let's see, what color is this called? I would call it melon when I first look at it. It's flamingo. And then I have white, textured white. And I believe it's basil, not quite sure. So then my next paper I had to come up with was wood veneer. And I always try to go to, is this done right? Yeah, it's good enough because I want you to be able to see that ish. Maybe I'll go this way. I have a stack of loose pattern papers, and it's not, there we go, it's not that big. It's only like that, and I always go there next after I find things like in a collection pack, a kit, whatever. So from there I found this wood grain paper here, and it's pretty gorgeous. I think it's a hand-me-down piece of paper from a pay it forward kind of box, but I thought that was a nice middle ground wood grain. And then I also got this paper here, and I'm pulling it for this color, kind of like this. It's a textured blue-green distressed. It works really well with this piece right here. So those are my papers I came up with. Now I'm going to go just down the line and, well, yes, let me show you. Okay, so for sequins, I have this little pack here. Now, the gold in here is really gold, so I don't dig that as much, but I do like the super pale pink as well as this deeper rosy pink that's in here. And yes, I know you're getting a glare. So I have my sequins. Next, circles, I figure I can cut them so easily. The next one in the row is this embossing folder, and yeah, no idea where it came from. Summer Dreams collection by Echo Park, so it makes me feel like it was Tuesday morning, but I don't buy embossing folders. So yeah, that little magic doohickey was there. Next, for a punch, I grabbed this mini hexagon. And the reason why I chose a mini hexagon for my punch is that hexagons are right next to punch. So I figure I have a punch and I have hexagons. Okay. Diagonal stripe paper was next. Brads were the next one on the list. So I found these Domestic Bliss by Simple Stories brads. I know these were from Tuesday morning, and I think the colors go beautifully. I don't know, I literally have no idea what I'll be scrapbooking in anyway, but that is what I have working for my brads. Next, for ribbon, I just went into my black color drawer and pulled out this piece of, it's kind of like a black satiny ribbon. So pulled that out. I figure that's going to work no matter what. So you have a little bit of ribbon there. The color pink, you see it here, that's easy. Floral paper is right here. For washi tape, I went a little large and grabbed this Jen Hadfield washi book. I've got this color in here. you know, the peachy color, not so much, but I have the black and white dots. I have a little bit of gold. There's black there. So there's definitely plenty that I can work with. So I have some washi, a lot of washi. What is next? A doily. So I went over to my little doily pile and I found this square doily, and I thought that would work because we have squares as one of, it's right next to doily again. So I figure, I mean, we can make squares super easily as well, but I like the idea of a square doily. Flare, I pulled 3. Now this is the one I'm really intending on using. It's this really great like acrylic flare. But then I also pulled Cheers and Celebrate. Now the Celebrate I'm a little iffy on because it's in gray. I love gray for scrapbooking, but I don't have gray in my kit. But I did think there's a chance that I would end up scrapbooking New Year's. So I put those in case, but this is the main go-to flare for this party. Decorative edge. I pulled this punch to do some decorative edge work with it. Put that with my other punch right there. The color blue, I was going with this being like my blue-green right here. Enamel dots. I pulled this set of enamel dots. They're from Gossamer Blue. Clearly back in the day, because Gossamer Blue is no longer in business, but I've got my pink, I've got that coral color, and I have green as well as more of this aqua. So I have some enamel dots that we can pop in right there. Solid color cardstock was right here. Let's see. Buttons. Buttons are my failure. Have not found anything close to buttons. Green, all I have right now is, we can call this turquoise, we can call this green. I have a little bit of green in my brads, but yeah, so I'm saying that's an ish. My blue and green are very ishy. Corner rounder, I made sure to pull a corner rounder. I have that in my kit. Polka dot paper is right here. And then for wood veneer, I pulled some by Jelly Bean Soup. This is what I have left from one of those kind of impressive wood veneer packs. So I put them in this, my cute little container here. These are from the dollar store. You get like 10 or something like that for $1. They're perfect for this kind of thing. All right. Where did I see? Did I pass? Hold on. Let me see if I have anything. Wood veneer. I missed stamps early on. So I pulled this All Heart from Crate Paper Stamps. And, you know, I really see me just using the little bits. I tend to use kind of like the little parts from stamps, but I do have stamps. Chances are I'll stamp in a charcoal color. We'll see. So to add to that, let me show you what I came up with. Now I'm trying this year to kill off some alphas. So I'm starting my kits, if I remember, with an almost dead alpha. And look, I know I can, it'll be a struggle to do a word with this, but I'm going to try. Like I can do dig, I can do big. So we'll see. Can't do much, but I'm going to try to be killing off my alphas. So I pulled this alpha. And this one's old. Does it even say when these were made? 2015. I have that one. Then I thought I'd pull in a little bit of this peach color with these Happy Life Thickers by American Crafts. So yes, I love these colors here, but I did pull it for this side. And then finally I did pull in black because I love black. And I have, oops, these are 2 different ones. Let me move that out of the way. So I have 2 sets here by Sticko. They've both been broken into, which is perfectly fine. They're called Sticker Alpha Cushing Black. So those are the alphas I pulled in. Now what to show you next? Okay. One of my big product focuses for this year till I kill them off are my old rub-ons. I don't know if these work at all. No idea, but look at how these colors are going with my kit. Absolutely perfectly. So I have some rub-ons. Come on, little flare, come on out. I brought in some rub-ons. I brought in 1 set of chipboard. This is a repurchase. I killed off this set when they first came out. And I bought this quite a while ago from Tuesday Morning, but once again, the colors are really working together with this. So I pulled in 1 chipboard. Then, let me show you. Oh, I have a few pieces from that original paper collection. I have this chipboard right here, so of course it'll go perfectly because it is from the collection, and just a couple of die cuts. So next I'm going to talk about die cuts, and let me tell you, this will be my very first concentration for die cuts, so I will look at this first. Die cuts and chipboard. I always have like this little plan of how I'm going to work through them to try to kill one and go to the next. And then I found, this was from Citrus Twist Kits, an ephemera pack, and it is like used. Like there is literally only a few pieces left in here, so I'll go there next. I have only a few pieces left from this Paige Evans line right here. I mean, a lot of it's really artsy, and I'm not going to be using this bright blue. That won't get killed off, I don't think. But I did like how this fox was the perfect color. Let's Get Creative is a perfect color. So there's a lot of colors that really work. So I'm going to use what I can from there. And then lastly, if I still need product, I pulled this Pink Paisley C'est La Vie collection, and it's a ton of it's acetate, and then there is some regular die cut pieces, but these are the pieces in the collection. So that is my kit this month. It is really fun because there are punches and stamps and embossing folders, so there's going to be some different technique work brought in that I'm pretty darn excited about. So I hope you like what I have come up with this time, and I will see you ever so soon in the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group. All right. Bye, friends. We'll see you soon.